If the filament cannot be pulled out after retraction, it is necessary to perform the extruder jam cleaning operation. Cut the filament with pliers. Manually perform the filament against the cutter operation. Press cutter handle. Remove casing. Remove silicone sleeve. Release nozzle clip and press inward. Remove nozzle. Disconnect wiring. Remove logo rotary dial. Unscrew 3 screws. Loosen 1 screw at extruder's bottom right corner. Remove extruder. Remove the spring. Dismantle the cutter handle. Take out the torsion spring. Remove the screws. Dismantle the gear. Take off the lever. Take out the jammed filament in the extruder with pliers. Reassemble the extruder. Install the lever, align with the hole, and perform a toggle test. Install the gear, ensuring alignment with the hole and secure engagement. Install the screws. Install the torsion spring, paying attention to its direction. The right angle part should face outward. Install the cutter handle and lock it with the buckle. Install the spring. Install extruder, tighten for screws. Verified cutter slide buckle is locked downward. Install logo rotary dial, connecting wiring. Cut off the residual filament on the nozzle completely with pliers. Install nozzle. Secure nozzle clip. Install silicone sleeve. Press cutter handle. Install casing.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.